using gradient tool. So gradient tool. Now, as I said in my previous video, if you want to edit anything, you have to select the layer. Okay, without the selection, you can't do any effect or any changes. So you just, let's say you want to edit layer 3. So this is where you want to apply the gradient. So the gradient tool deals with the colors that we have here, this one and this one. So I want to choose the first one. So what kind of color do I want to affect it? So if I want let's say I want the gradient side to be yellow, so I'll choose the yellow here, so that the gradient I'm bringing up should be yellow. So let me just show it for you to see. You see the gradient is yellow, the color coming is yellow. Okay, if I want it to be black too, I just come here, I'll change the color to black. Okay, so the same thing, if I come, you see now it's black. See, that's how the gradient tool works. Now you see there's something here, and then what this one does is that, let me just one, so you have the basic deals with how the gradient is going to be like. So if you check the one I'm doing, it's just focusing on one color, you see, and the other side is it follows like that. So the one color I've chosen is the one actually making the difference, and the other one is not really showing up. But if I choose this, I'm dealing with two colors, black and white. You see, if I choose this color and I apply the gradient, you see it's affecting both sides. You see there's black here, this side, this place been affected, this side too is been affected because of what I've picked. Is dealing with two sides. Okay, so that's how the gradient tool works. Okay, yes, so basically that's how the whole thing works. So you can choose any of them. So if you want to use the blues too, you have different of them here. You come here, we have purple, we have, they are different ones here. So yes, and also if I always say that you have to go to move to if you are not using any of them. Now one thing you have to know is that, you see here, if you want to change, okay, I think we'll come to that in the subsequent video, but for now this is how you use the gradient tool. Just move it, so it's not only one side. So if I want to also, if I select this side and I want to move this side too, you see I just move like that. Okay, so let me just move it back to the one that we started from. So this one just focus on one color, so you just move one color like that. You see it's just focus on one color. Yeah, you can do the same thing here, can do the same thing here. You see, now you see this side, what it shows is that, see this one is just dealing with a linear means like moving from one end to another. So if let's say moving a horizontal, moving from left to right, you see. But when it comes to this side, which is the radial deals with the circle. So if I do the radial, you see it's dealing with the circle, so they say that it will be centered in here. Then when it comes to this side too, it deals with some arrangement. You see it divides it, so they all have their essence, what they are used for. Okay, yeah, so it all depends on how your design is, and once you are able to understand these basic features, with time you'll be able to understand how all these things work, and it's very easy for you. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Thank you. Subscribe and share, and let people hear about this channel. Thank you very much.